Okay, ladies and gents, my name is William King, Crosby, Liverpool. This is some insight into me being eaten alive by parasites that the medical profession are refusing to believe exist. It's like there's some major cover-up. There's my eye as it got infected with these things within the eyelid, and I'll show you a quick picture of how I used to look. This is how I used to look, happy and healthy with my dog. And this is how I look now, quite gaunt and ill because I am being eaten alive. I'm going to very quickly try and show you some images that nobody can dispute are real, and the fact is these hospitals, Tropical School of Medicine, Liverpool, Professor Bertie, Squires, totally dishing everything I say and saying there's nothing there. Consultants all over the place saying there's nothing there. 2 specimens sent to that school. I kept a specimen back for myself. It's quite clear by my specimens and the images that I've taken, they are real. They are parasites, and they are of a very, very odd nature because they don't look like any other parasite that I've seen online. The fact is, these are up my nose, they're living up my nose, they're crawling. I've blown them out my nose, they've been in my eye, they're in my ears, they're in the rectum, they're causing the stomach to swell, my lower abdomen's in pain, bowel dysfunction, bladder dysfunction, all round the groin area swelling up. I'm having endless problems, headaches, I'm getting numbness in my spine, like they're paralysing me. It's absolutely horrendous, and I feel like I'm going to die very soon, which is why I'm making this recording, because somebody is covering something up, and only my next of kin here, Barbara Thomas in Thornton in Liverpool, knows exactly what's gone on. She's seen them with their own eyes. I've collected them from my bed, off my skin. They are living and breathing inside me. I am slowly being murdered and eaten alive by parasites. I'm going to show you some images if I can very quickly. Okay, that was me, just a healthy picture. And I need to find these images very quick to just show you that you cannot dispute the fact that these things are real. Okay, let's find an image for you. Okay, there's a tissue with blood on. There's the blood from my nose, and there in the middle is one of these black parasites. If I blow it up, keep blowing it up, keep blowing it up, it's quite clear. Even on here, you can see the inside of it, you can see the black specks on the inside of it. It's like you've taken an X-ray. Now if you take it back to its normal size, it's hardly recognisable, but they are black specks. My specimen jars are full of these samples. That's on a bath, after having a bath. If I blow it up, keep blowing it up, keep blowing it up, keep blowing it up, blow it up, blow it up, blow it up, blow it up, you can quite clearly see this thing is some kind of organism living, breathing, eating me alive. Nobody is taking a blind bit of notice. Doctors, hospitals, there's another tissue sample. My own Dr. Gillespie, Crosby, all ignoring all my horrendous symptoms. Now when you look at this, it's quite clear to see inside it, there they are, same characteristics. It's like you're looking at the contents of the inside of this horrible, disgusting parasite that looks like a tiny, tiny speck. That's what they look like. I've either been contaminated in the hospital, or I've been picked something up in the hospital, something that they want to keep quiet because all these medical people are just turning a blind eye to it. I spent my last weekend in London. Whilst I was there, staying in a hotel, I managed to meet one of my idols, Benedict Cumberbatch, who wished me all the best in hospital. Unfortunately, Benedict, hospitals are not believing me, or they don't want to believe me, or they want to hide it. There's something going on. These samples that I've taken, there's a specimen. They are bleeding. They ooze blood. When you starve them of oxygen and they die, they ooze blood. So therefore, they've been alive. And yet, Euston Road, University College London Hospital, tropical diseases say nothing in the specimens. The same specimens as this, because I kept them back. They're all the same. Barbara Thomas has witnessed them in my bed. I've thrown beds out. I've got clean sheets. They are not dying. You can't kill them. They are not going away. They eat me alive. They're causing all kinds of neurological symptoms. I'm getting horrendous headaches. I'm getting numbness in my spine. These doctors are either oblivious to what's going on, and it could be some epidemic that's the public will just go bananas if they find out, and the government want to keep it quiet. I know that sounds bizarre, but what other explanation is there for these people not seeing what I can see under a microscope, and yet I can see them on the images of the ones I've taken? They're real. They're not in the head. I'm sane. I'm fully sound of mind. I am absolutely 100% genuine with you all. This is not fake. This is real. And if I've been contaminated, how many other people have been contaminated? And if we die and get cremated, there'll be nobody doing an autopsy looking for these little black specks within your body. It'll go unnoticed, undetected. There's something sinister going on. And I had a wicked doctor from Iraq performed an endoscopy on me. And after that, I've never been right since. There's something strange going on. I've left all the facts and all the proof written down. Barbara Thomas in Thornton Liverpool. I'm William King, born 20th of February 1962. And everything in this is true. 100% true. I'm dying because I'm getting eaten alive. Somebody out there, please investigate this. Thank you.